your MacBook display is turning off. So how to fix this issue? So the very first thing to check is just click on Apple menu and click on System Settings, and now click on Battery. Okay, and now click on Options. Now turn this on, prevent automatic sleeping on power adapter. Just click on this and choose Always. Click on Done. The next thing you should do is to go to lock screen, and here just set this setting. So let's say you want to keep it larger, so keep it for a larger value, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, or you can choose never. Okay, similarly choose never for this if you do not want your screen to turn off anytime. Also just click on this, make it 3 minutes, and make sure the required password after screensaver begins or display is turning off is chosen to immediately, and your problem will be fixed. Now if this does not fixes your issue, then what you can do, you can just search terminal, okay, and open the terminal of Mac. And now what you should do is to run this command, sudo pmset defaults, hit enter, enter your password. Now what it does, it restores your power management settings to default, and then see whether it works or not. But this is the last resort. If anything don't work, then you can do this. After doing this, what you can do, you can just again go back to system settings and make sure in the lock screen area these things are selected as per your required settings. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like the video.